Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best mini fridges and compact refrigerators in 2024. Top 5 picks available on Amazon. Number 1. YSSOA Mini Fridge. Introducing the YSSOA 4-liter mini fridge, a portable cooler and warmer with a compact size and 4-liter capacity. It can store up to 6 12-ounce cans and fits perfectly on office desks or bookshelves. Available in black and pink, it's a great gift for both men and women. The removable shelf allows easy separation of items. With adjustable thermostat control, it can cool down to 34 Fahrenheit and warm up to 131 Fahrenheit. This eco-friendly and low-noise mini fridge operates quietly at 25 dB in sleep mode. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. DECKER BCRK17W. The DECKER BCRK17W compact refrigerator is a stylish and energy-efficient mini fridge with a freezer. With its compact size, 17.5 inches by 18.5 inches by 19.7 inches, and sleek design, it's perfect for dorm rooms, offices, and small apartments. The removable glass shelf and additional door storage maximize storage space. It features a reversible door, adjustable temperature control, and operates quietly. Comes with a 1-year warranty. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Cooluli 10-liter mini fridge. The Cooluli 10-liter mini fridge for bedroom is a convenient and lightweight solution for cooling or warming food and drinks. With dimensions of 9.4 inches by 11.4 inches by 13.4 inches and weighing 7.9 pounds, it's portable and versatile. The dual voltage feature allows worldwide use for storing essentials like food, drinks, breast milk, skincare, and medications. The sleek glass front design suits any setting, supported by advanced EcoMax technology and a 1-year warranty. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. RCA RFR321. The RCA RFR321 single mini refrigerator is a compact and versatile appliance. It features a freezer compartment and adjustable thermostat control. The fridge has dimensions of 17 to 1.2 inches by 18.58 by 31.58 inches, with a capacity of 3.2 cubic feet. The reversible doors make it easy to fit in any space. With compressor cooling and adjustable lever feet, it offers optimal performance and versatility. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. COSTWAY Compact Refrigerator. The COSTWAY Compact Refrigerator is a powerful and reliable appliance designed for dorms, offices, and apartments. With a crisper drawer for fruits and vegetables, it optimizes food storage. The 2-door design offers a spacious fresh food capacity of 2.25 cubic foot and a freezer capacity of 1 cubic foot. The removable glass shelf allows for easy organization and cleaning. The separate freezer compartment and included ice tray ensure your ice cream and drinks stay cool. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.